Welcome to the Poor Man's Gourmet Kitchen, where we share gourmet recipes at a low-budget wonder. Now check this out.
Here I've got a package of ridiculously priced king crab legs. But you've got to splurge sometimes, and what you've got to understand about these is that they've already been previously cooked, and you buy them frozen. So now all we've got to do is reheat them. And the three most common ways are baked, grilled, or steamed. And with these 3 full-length legs and these 2 short portions, I've got about 2 pounds I can demonstrate these processes for you. First we'll go to the oven. I'll often cook them this way when I've got too much going on the stove. And you want to cook for approximately 15 minutes at 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Now the grill isn't that much different, only you've got a concentrated amount of heat coming from the bottom there, so you want to flip these over occasionally. But you want to keep that lid down as much as possible. Hot box those crab legs and get heat on all sides. With 3 burners on low, I cook for about 20 to 25 minutes and around 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Now steaming I'd say is the most popular by far. About 2 inches of water is all you're going to need. Bring it to a rolling boil and fill her up. You don't need to add any flavor or seasoning to the water, just straight steam. And once you put the lid on, you can time it for approximately 8 to 10 minutes. In the meantime, I like to get some melted butter rolling, so I drop that in a pan with a little bit of olive oil. I also like to add a clove of garlic. Now, no matter which method you choose to cook and reconstitute your king crab legs, be sure to use some tongs because these things are hot. And that's the way we like it. But we don't have to burn ourselves before we start to enjoy ourselves now, do we? If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also ring the little dingy for notifications. Now these are beautiful. And just look at the size of each one. And just so you know, I've got a whole nother video tutorial available to show you how to crack these open faster. But let's go ahead and do it just so you can see what these look like. Now one thing you might not know is the white side of the crab leg is softer. One of my signature moves is using a fork. Use the first side of the fork here, and you can cut right up the middle. Then the shell opens right up. And just look at the size of that thigh meat. But don't forget your melted butter. And there you have it. How to cook king crab legs right here in the Poor Man's Gourmet Kitchen.
Thank you for watching, and be sure to stop by PoorMansGourmetKitchen.com for more recipes and exact ingredients.